Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the LEISUIT Foldaway Guest Bed Cot. A portable folding bed frame that combines convenience with comfort for your spare bedroom or office. This versatile bed features a 3-inch memory foam mattress paired with high-density sponge, ensuring a restful night's sleep with dimensions of 71 by 30 by 3 inches. Unlike traditional wood slats or wire mesh, the high-strength Oxford cloth support offers superior elasticity and comfort, accommodating up to 300 pounds. The robust all-metal frame conveniently folds in half for easy storage, with compact folded dimensions of 37 by 31 by 6.7 inches, making it ideal for small spaces. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, allowing you to set up the rollaway bed in just minutes. Perfect for unexpected guests or a quick office nap, this bed is designed for easy mobility and maximum comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.